What's up, friends? It's time to give away some gear. First, I'm going to give you this, which is a rhythm ensemble that I made up. It's called Mi Casa. It's sort of loosely based on the Casa rhythm. It's a djembe ensemble. It's not Casa. It's a rhythm that I created. And I want to give you a prize. I want to give somebody a prize. Actually, two prizes. We're going to give away a katak and a mashbox or smashbox. I can never remember the name. Mashbox. Cajon by Can Do Percussion. I want to thank them for making those available, donating that to the channel for you guys to win something. So how are you going to do that? You're going to download this. This is on the channel, patreon.com/Kalani. See the post called Mi Casa. Download the notation. And then what I need you to do is solve this mystery. And the question is, how did I compose the parts and how are these parts related? There's two djembe parts and there's two dundun parts. There's a high dundun and a low dundun. And then I give you the legend at the bottom so you can see what all the tones are, of course. But I need you to answer the question, how are the djembe parts related and what is the compositional device that I used? And how are the dundun parts related maybe to the djembes or at least to themselves? You know, what compositional device did I use to create the rhythms and the tones and the parts that go into this ensemble, all right? What does he mean by compositional device? If you're not sure what that means, then you got to do some homework fast. So the prizes are going to go to the first two people, number one, number two, the first two people that successfully give me at least two things that I did, two ways that I composed this music, and it needs to be pretty specific. So good luck with that. That's what's going to happen. If you don't get it right, I'll tell you, no, try again. I can't give you any hints, and you need to message me directly. Don't leave your guesses in the comment section unless you want to tip everyone off as to what you're thinking. But you cannot win in the comments section of the post, all right? So just get the music, message me your answers or your theories directly through the Patreon system, and good luck, all right? I hope you win, because mi casa es tu casa, all right? Have fun, and then you can jam out on this original composition too, all right? Thanks for watching. Good luck. I'll see you guys soon.